Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Dr. Trust Infrared Forehead Thermometer 603. From the box you can tell what the thermometer actually looks like. This is a forehead thermometer. There's some information over here. This particular device has a measuring time of approximately 2 seconds. Measuring temperature, body mode is from 34 degrees to 42 degrees, that's the range. And object mode is 0 to 100 degrees. It has a clinical accuracy of plus minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit and it comes with 3 AAA batteries. Now let's open this box and take a look at the components inside. So all of this comes in this nice transparent plastic case. Let's open it up. There are the 2 AAA batteries. There are some documents here. I'm going to take the thermometer out as well. Okay, so this is a please read before start Dr. Trust 3-in-1 thermometer. This is basically a user manual that you should read at least once before you start operating this particular device. And this is also another set of user instructions. So you have 2 set of user instructions and they're both of course equally important. So please read them at least once. And this is the thermometer. I'm going to take it out. There you go. This is what the Dr. Trust forehead thermometer looks like. You can see. I'll give you a closer look. There. This is what the thermometer looks like. This is the LCD display. There's a sticker on top. I'm not going to remove it for now. It's made out of plastic but has a sleek form factor as well. Knob over here, so you can switch it when you want to do different kind of reading. Now it's switched towards this head over here, which means this is now well suited for reading body temperatures. If you shift it to this, now it's well suited to read temperatures of objects. So let's keep it to body temperature setting and take a look at the other stuff. So this is the start button. I'll insert the batteries in a while. The batteries go in over here. So yeah, let's put them in. So this is it. This is what you get inside the box. And the best thing is it comes with a carry case, so you'll be able to carry this thermometer or keep it in a dry, safe place in this particular box. That's it. That's what you find inside the box containing the Dr. Trust Infrared Forehead Thermometer 603. Thank you for watching.